Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley from FloridaShelling, and today I'm going to teach you all how to make a jingle shell Christmas tree. Christmas trees are so fun to make this time of the year, and they're so easy. You can do it with pretty much any shell that you want. Today I chose to do a limpet shell, jingle shell, and a starfish. This is a flat orange starfish, and these are translucent jingle shells. Now the jingle shells come in all shapes and sizes. There's no such thing as like a perfect circle for them. They come in like silver and gray, orange, ivory, but at the end of the day, they're all translucent. And what I like about them is that they're very light. A lot of the times shell crafts are heavy because the shells just weigh them down, and I am not about that. I don't need anything heavy in my life. you know what I mean? So anyway, this is just a simple limpet tree. This takes about 15 minutes to make. What I like about it is that you can build on it. So you put your basic layer on, and then you can go back and fill in the little spots to make the tree look fuller. And I like that there's different shades as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to do it. And let me know if you end up making one. I love to see when you guys make things, so make sure you tag me on Instagram. My hashtag is flshelling. So, oh, and real quick before we jump into it, the bottom right there is styrofoam, and this is like a 4-inch cone. And the jingle shells and the starfish, they are available in my Etsy shop. So if you need any shells for crafting or anything like that, I have over 400 shells listed. I have a lot. You can get them there, and the cone is super simple. You can get like a pack from Michael's for like, gosh, I don't even remember, just a couple of bucks, or Amazon, any of those places. But yay, look how cute it is. So go ahead and watch my tutorial, and I hope you end up making one, and let me know if you like it and if you do. Anyway, I'm going to quit rambling. Happy Christmas and Merry whatever. I hope you guys have a great rest of the year. Bye. All right, guys, that was it. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on le jingle, le shell, le tree. So anyway, Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everybody. And I really hope that you have a great rest of the year and everything. I really do. I know this year is pretty hard for some people. So there's always tomorrow and always next year. You're stronger than you think. What you do today, you will see in a month. It's true. Don't be deceived. Just keep going. Anyway, let me see your tree. Tag me. Post it to me. I'll see you guys later.